What's up, my foodie fam and my home chef? This is Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. Today we got something special for you. Are you tired of doing the same old turkey? Well, today we're going to do some turkey wings, some roasted herb turkey wings in the oven. Something a little bit different for holidays, so you want to be doing the same old turkey. So come on, we're going to get over here to the ingredients. Let's see over the ingredients. Okay, so let's get into the ingredients. We got 4 whole turkey wings. We got Weber's roasted garlic seasoning, black pepper, seasoning salt, the W sauce, Worcestershire sauce, or however y'all want to say it. You know what I'm saying? That's actually going to be 4 ounces of W sauce. This is going to be 4 tablespoons of minced garlic and 2 chopped up onions. And let's get into seasoning the turkey first. The turkey wing. All right, let's start with chopping up the onion. So we're gonna do that first. You don't have to be pretty, but hey, chop it up. You know, big chunks, stuff like that. All right. I always have a little bowl to the side to put your onions in. Pretty simple. You ain't gotta be, have major chef skills, knife skills to cut up some onions. If you don't like cutting up onions, go ahead and buy them from the store so you won't be tearing up, because some people can't take cutting onions. So the best way you can do it is, get them from your local grocery store. And you don't have to, be in between thick and thin. Not too thin because you don't want them to burn. All right, last one. Next, we're gonna get over into seasoning the turkey wings. Always wear gloves. Safety first. We're dealing with poultry, chicken, anything like that. You don't want to cross-contaminate anybody, because remember, you are serving people, and no matter if you're serving yourself, you know what I'm saying, be very careful with that. Because a lot of people, can get sick from poultry. All right, so now we can, the onions are done. First, the next we want to put the W sauce on first. You know what I'm saying? You just put it around, put it on each one of them, like that. And then next we're gonna rub it in. It ain't gotta be all pretty, but as long as it's on each one of them. That's kind of like a little binder and stuff like that. So do that next, rub it around. It ain't gotta be perfect. These bad boys is big. But yeah, just want to make sure it's evenly on both sides, stuff like that. And the same pan that you're actually going to be doing all your seasonings, the same one you're going to be cooking in. So you know what I'm saying, less work, less cleanup. All right, so next we're going to get over to the garlic. Add the garlic in. So you're going to do a little bit at a time. Rub it over. Alrighty. Yep, after you do that, just massage it in. Look over, add it around. Make sure it's on both sides. You don't have to be perfect, but just right. Alright, now we go next. We're going to be getting into the seasoning. This is the easy part, guys. We're almost down, stretch and stuff like that. We're gonna start with the seasoning salt. Now, evenly coat the seasoning salt on all sides of the turkey wing. You know what I'm saying? It may look like a lot of salt, but it's not, because it's actually a heavy piece of meat. So you want to make sure it's fully flavorful. Like that. There you go. Now next you want to get the roasted garlic seasoning. This is actually aromatics right here. And get it under that little skin right there. Because these bad boys will be off the hook. And don't worry about it If it looks like it's too much, it's really not. You know, because this has a lot of herbs and spices in it, garlic, you know, a few other little things in there, paprika, and last but not least, which is going to be your ground pepper. You can put a little bit. You don't have to put a lot. You know what I'm saying? Your ground pepper. Alrighty. Now, after you got all your seasonings on, you know what I'm saying, position them in the pan pretty nicely. Some people fold them under and stuff like that. You can do that. You know, it just depends on how you would like it. You know, and position them so they can all be evenly cooked, you know, in the oven and stuff like that. All right. And next, what we're gonna do is add the onions. You know, add them around and stuff like that. Add them into the bottom of the pan. Because when the juices come off the turkey wings, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be amazing. You know, on there. You don't have to be all, you know what I'm saying, pretty. Just tuck them in certain parts and stuff like that. Tuck them under. And that's pretty much it, guys. And then we're about to get ready to put it in the oven. So meet me over now. All right. So put your oven on roast at 350 degrees. Next, you're gonna wrap your, you're gonna cover it first. And then after about an hour, you know, check on it. And then if you want, you can flip it. It's up to you. But, leave the foil off so it can roast for about the next probably 30 minutes. All right, so next, after it's done, you want to take your wings out. What we did was I actually separated the wings up, and I took off the juices and everything and put them in here. You know, in this pot right here, I added 2 packs of this. This is brown gravy. You know, I mean 1 pack. I'm sorry. And, you know, to thicken the juice up and stuff like that. And I just put a little, you know, whatever left over. You see, got the onions and stuff like that already caramelized. And once we thicken it up, I'm gonna put it back over the turkey, cause you know ain't nobody want no dried out turkey. So put this back over it and put it back in the oven for 350 degrees for 30 more minutes, and you're complete. So let's see what it looks like after it's done. Okay, so don't forget to cover it evenly. Cover it over everything. Ooh, that's looking good. So, you know, and that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I wish I had some other vision. This looking good right here. Y'all know it. So after we finish this, put it back in the oven uncovered for about 20 to 30 minutes. Ooh, that bad boy looking good. Okay, my foodie folks. So we're done, and it's looking lovely. If there's any recipes that you want me to definitely cook and show you guys how to make, don't forget to leave a comment below. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. You know, I really appreciate it, and I love all the support. Ooh, it's looking good, you know. But I appreciate everybody coming on through to hang out with your boy and check out his recipes. This is Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. Thanks for hanging out with me, and we're always cooking it 100.